In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up color themes in Wix Editor. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to update. Once your site loads in the editor, click Edit Site to access the design tools. Next, go to the left side of the screen and click the Site Design icon. This will open the Design panel, where you can manage the overall visual style of your website. Inside this panel, click Color Theme to view the available theme settings for your site. You will now see a selection of color themes that you can browse through. These themes are designed to help you apply a consistent look across your website. Take a moment to review the available options and choose the one that best matches your brand or the style you want for your site. When you find a theme you like, click to select it. Wix will apply that color theme across supported areas of your website. This can include buttons, text elements, backgrounds, and other design sections that use theme colors. If you want more control over the final look, you can customize the theme after selecting it. In the color theme settings, edit the individual colors to better match your preferences. This is useful if you want to keep the structure of a theme, but adjust certain shades to better fit your branding. After making your changes, review how the color theme appears throughout the site. Look at key elements such as headings, buttons, backgrounds, and any other supported sections. Make sure the colors work well together, and that the design feels clear and consistent. If needed, continue adjusting the theme settings until you are satisfied with the result. Small changes can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your website, so take a moment to fine-tune the colors carefully. Once everything looks right, click Preview to see how your updated website will appear to visitors. This gives you a chance to check the final design before publishing it live. If you are happy with the new color theme, click Publish to make the changes visible on your live website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.